All right, here's that Suburban. I actually took this one in. This was my family members. I have a cousin that traded. So let's get this started for you. There you go. So she never really pulled anything, so the hitch is fairly new. Yeah, let's look at the back here. Oh, gotta unlock it. So, got the mat for the back as well. The seats do come up, but they all come down as well. So, does have that third row. There you go. And then let's look at the back seat here. Should have some little ones, but they took very good care of this thing. Smells good in here. They weren't smokers either. Does have the outlets in the back. The tires, they were, when she traded it in, she just put them on in November, and we just put brakes all the way around as well. Took care of a few other miscellaneous things. There was one of the oil cooling lines had to get replaced. Didn't get a full detail, but you probably couldn't tell because it's dirty right now. But when you do come up here, I'll make sure it's nice and clean for you. Yeah, no dings, scratches, or anything like that. These guys took very, very good care of this. There you go. Get it started for you. No lights on the dash. There's the heated seats. And it does have the sunroof.